Huh? I don't know if you can see it, but it's steaming. I'm gonna take that as a good sign. Proof of concept. Yeah. Put some handles on it. Some little threaded inserts so I can fix the top. I'm definitely gonna organize the coils and make them neat. But shoot, that thing works so pretty good. I've got a 3/4 inch plywood backer with 1.5 inch foam with the foil back on it. And I've got about 1.5 inches of airspace that goes to some 090 aluminum that I painted black. Inside there is the 1/4 inch hose, and then some whatever this is, 1/4 inch acrylic. I think the whole size of the thing is about 32 inches. And yeah, this works. Do that. I'll be ready to heat the greenhouse floor. That'll be awesome.